Unlocking the secrets behind numbers patterns is easier than you think. It all starts with identifying the hidden rule governing the sequence. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is number sequences. Understanding number sequences. A number sequence is simply a list of numbers that follows a specific rule or pattern. To find the next term, in any sequence, you must first identify how the numbers are changing, how the numbers are subtracted, whether they are being added, multiplied, or divided. We can see categories like arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence. What is arithmetic sequence? These sequences involve a constant addition or subtraction. Geometric sequences. These sequences involve a constant multiplication or division. When dealing with negative numbers, always pay close attention to the sign, but spotting alternative sign if the numbers are alternate between positive and negative, the rule almost certainly involves multiplication or division by a negative number. We can see here some example sequence rules and for the next two terms. We can see first one 14, 19, 24, 29, and 34. We can see the rule add 5 and next two terms are 39 and 44. Next one is that 80, 72, 64, 56, and 48. First we see the rule subtract 8 because 80 minus 72 the difference is 8. So we can see next two term are 40 and 32. Third one is that 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, and 192. We can see the rule multiplied by 2 and our next two term are 384 and 768. We can see 1600, 800, 400, 200 and 100. We can see rule divide by 2. But if you think about it, 16 is a half of 800, half of 400, and 400 half of 200, and 200 half is 100, and the half of 100 is that 50, and the half of 50 you know about 25. We can see another examples one by one. We can see the rule first and next two terms. It's very helpful for you to find next two term. First we know about which pattern and rule has followed there. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.